verify P minus 2 to P minus 2 to Q 2 to and R 2 7 R 2 and 7 are the vertices of right angled triangle. So what is the right angle? When you say right angle triangle, what you recall immediately? Pythagoras theorem. So there will be three distances, two will be smaller, one will be hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Very simple. If you put logic to the work, it is very easy. You will get full marks in this lesson. So there will be two small distances and one in great distances. The greater distance square should be equal to sum of squares of other two small distances. Correct? Very nice. So we are starting this example with first distance formula. Now you don't have to write every time distance formula. Distance PR is equal to, first PR is equal to x2 minus x1. This is x2, this is x1. So 2 minus minus 2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1. So 7 minus 2 the whole square, which is equal to 2 plus 2, 4 the whole square plus 5 the whole square, which is equal to 16 plus 25 is equal to under root 41. This is distance PR. This is distance PR. So what is PR square? It is under root 41 the whole square, which is equal to 41. So PR square is equal to 41. Remember this. Now we have found PR. Now PQ. Distance PQ is equal to, by distance formula, PQ. This will be x2 y2. This will be x1 y1. So x2 is 2 minus minus 2 the whole square plus y2 is 2 minus 2 the whole square, which is equal to, we are finding PQ x1 y1 x2 y2, x2 2 y x1 minus 2. So it will be 2 plus 2 4 the whole square plus 0 the whole square, which is equal to under root 16, which is equal to 4. So distance PQ is equal to 4. So PQ square is equal to 16. PQ square is equal to 16. And now the last one. It is PR. Distance PR is equal to under root PR. This is x2 y2. This is x1 y1. So 2 minus 2 the whole square plus 7 minus 2 the whole square. PQ, PR, PQ, QR, sorry, QR. We are finding QR. QR. So QR, this is 2 2 minus 2 the whole square plus x2 minus x1 the whole square. Now 7 minus 2 the whole square, which is equal to under root of 0 the whole square plus 5 the whole square, which is equal to under root 25, which is equal to 5. Under root 25 is 5. So distance QR is equal to 5. Distance QR is equal to 5. And what is QR square? Therefore, QR square is equal to 25. Finally, PQ square plus QR square is equal to 16 plus 25 is equal to 41. This is statement number 1. And PR square is equal to 41. This is statement number 2. From 1 and 2, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square by Pythagoras theorem, or just Pythagoras theorem is proved. Pythagoras theorem is proved. Therefore, point P minus 2, 2, point Q 2, 2, and point R 2, 7 are vertices of right angled triangle. Finish. So whatever examples we are solving now are very important in the for the exam. They have given 3 points and we have to prove the vertices of Pythagoras theorem. We found the distance PR, it is root 41. We found the distance PQ, which is 4. And we found the distance QR, which is 5. 5 square plus 4 square is 41. 5 square plus 4 square is 41. Similarly, that PR square is also 41. So one big side square is equal to sum of squares of other two smaller side is the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, these points are of vertices of right angle triangle. Just we finished the right angle triangle. Now the fifth example is of same geometric figure, similar geometric figure, parallelogram. Show that points P2 minus 2, Q7 3, R11 minus 1 and S6 minus 6 are the vertices of parallelogram. You must know opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. So we have to find 4 distances using distance formula. So P is 2 minus 2. Question number 5. P2 minus 2, Q7 3. Q7 minus 3. No, 3 plus 3. Next is R11 minus 1. R11 minus 1 and S is 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6. Show that vertices of parallelogram. Okay. First we will take PQ. See this figure. P, Q, R, S. So first we are finding distance. Here, distance PQ, distance PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1. So 7 minus 2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1. 3 minus minus 2 the whole square, which is equal to 5 the whole square plus 5 the whole square, which is equal to 25 plus 25, which is equal to root 50. Root 50, which is equal to under root 25 into 2, which is equal to 5 root 2. 5 root 2. We have to prove that these are vertices of parallelogram. Okay. Now distance QR. Distance QR. Distance QR. So under root QR 11 minus 7 the whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 the whole square, which is equal to 4 the whole square plus 4 the whole square, which is equal to minus 4 the whole minus 4 the whole square, which is equal to 16 plus 16 is equal to under root 32, which is equal to 16 into 2, so it is 4 root 2. Nothing to explain, so I am not explaining. Simple calculations. Quick calculator will get good marks. Now remaining, we have found PQ, QR, now RS. Distance RS 1, 2, 3. PQ, QR and now RS, which is equal to under root RS. Correct? 6 minus 11 the whole square. X1, Y1, X2, Y2 plus Y2 minus Y1 minus 6 minus into bracket minus 1 the whole square. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So X2 minus X1 is 6 minus 11 and Y2 minus Y1, which is equal to under root 6 minus 11, that is minus 5 the whole square plus minus 6 plus 1, minus 6 plus 1, minus 6 plus 1 the whole square, which is equal to minus 5 the whole square plus minus 5 the whole square, which is equal to 25 plus 25, which is equal to under root 50, and that is nothing but 25 into 2, which is equal to 5 root 2. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and the remaining is PS. Distance PS. Distance PS is equal to under root PS. PS. So 6 minus 2 the whole square plus minus 6 minus 2 the whole square, which is equal to under root plus 4 the whole square plus minus 6 plus 4 minus 6 minus 2, so that is minus 6 plus 2 the whole square, which is equal to 4 square plus minus 4 the whole square, which is equal to 4 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 16 plus 16, which is equal to again 32, and the final is distance PS is equal to under root 16 into 2, which is equal to 4 root 2, and this is fourth calculation. This is fourth calculation. Quick, if you waste time in these examples, you will score less. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, from 1, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, distance PQ is equal to distance RS. See, distance PQ is equal to distance RS. And from 2 and 4, distance 2 is 4 root 2. Distance QR is equal to distance PS is equal to 5 root 2 is equal to 4 root 2. Therefore, when I'll write down when opposite sides of quadrilateral are congruent, the quadrilateral is parallelogram. Quick calculations and quick thinking will help you. PQRS, PQ, QR, RS and PS. We got 4 distances. See, from 1 and 3, opposite sides are congruent. From 2 and 4, opposite sides are congruent. So it is a parallelogram. Very simple. If you practice, these examples will come as it is. So you don't have to take any pains for calculations. Remember, these are painless examples to score marks. Now in the sixth example, they have given 4 points and they have said show that these points are vertices of rhombus. Property of rhombus, adjacent sides are congruent. So all the 4 answers must be equal. डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला से 4 डिस्टेंसेस जब निकालेंगे तो if adjacent sides are congruent, means 1, 2, 3, 4, all the congruent, then it's a rhombus. Clear? Very good. So by distance formula, distance AB is equal to under root x1 y1 x2 y2, so -1 -4 the whole square plus y2 2 minus 7 the whole square, which is equal to under root -1 plus 4 -1 plus 4 the whole square plus 2 plus 7 the whole square, which is equal to under root 3 the whole square plus 9 the whole square, which is equal to 9 plus 81, which is equal to 81 plus 9, 90. This is example number 6. Make it star. Make it star. So it will be under root 9 into 10, which is equal to 3 root 10. Distance AB. So statement number 1. Now distance BC equals to under root 8 minus 1 the whole square plus 5 minus 2 the whole square, which is equal to 8 plus 1 the whole square plus 3 the whole square, which is equal to 9 square plus 3 square, which is equal to 81 plus 9. It is under root 90 and nothing but under root 10 into 9, 9 into 10, which is equal to 3 root 10. So second distance BC is equal to 3 root 10. I am not explaining anything, nothing is to explain there. So third one, distance CD 5 minus 8 the whole square, 5 minus 8 the whole square plus minus 4 minus 5 the whole square, which is equal to 5 minus 3, 5 minus 8, it is minus 3 the whole square plus minus 9 the whole square. Again, this is minus 3 square is 9 plus minus 9 square is 81, which is equal to again 90. It is 90. So the final answer is 9 into 10, that is 3 root 10. So distance CD is equal to 3 root 10. We are heading towards the final answer. We are heading towards the final answer, that is AD. Distance AD is equal to under root 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 the whole square plus minus 4 minus 7. Minus 4 minus I will take it here. Distance AD is equal to x1 y1 x2 y2. So 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 the whole square plus minus 4 minus 7. Minus 4 minus 7 the whole square, which is equal to, so 5 plus 4 the whole square plus minus 4 plus 7 minus 4 plus 7 the whole square, which is equal to 9 the whole square plus 3 the whole square, which is equal to again 81 plus 9, which is equal to under root 90, which is equal to 9 into 10 under root, which final answer is 3 root 10, 4. Correct? I am doing these examples quickly because of practice. You have to be very, very strong in your practice. From 1, 2, 3, 4, all the distances are same. So, the given vertices are of rhombus. 1, 2, 3, 4. From 1, 2, 3 and 4, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Therefore, points A, B, C and D are vertices of a rhombus. Vertices of a rhombus. That finishes the example. Very simple. Calculate, calculate, calculate and calculate. If 4 sides are equal, either it is a square or rhombus. But for square, you have to show the distances between the diagonals are same. So it will come afterward. So we are in the 7th question of exercise 5.1. What they have said these two are L and M are 2 points and distance between them is 10. Distance between these two uh, points is 10. Then find the value of x. One coordinate is missing, correct? So let us see. By distance formula, distance LM is equal to it is x1 y1 x2 y2. So 1 minus x the whole square plus y2 minus y1 15 minus 7 the whole square, which is equal to, but distance LM is given, it is 10, correct? Given. So 10 is equal to under root 1 minus x the whole square plus 15 minus 7 the whole square, correct? Therefore 10 is equal to, or just square both the sides, so 100, 10 square is 100, is equal to 1 minus x the whole square plus 15 minus 7, 8 square. Therefore 100 is equal to a minus b the whole square. So 1 square minus 2 into 1 into x, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is x square. Correct? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Correct? Plus 64. Therefore, 100 is equal to 1 minus 2x plus x square is equal to plus 64. Come this side. So it will be x square minus 2x minus 1. We can write like this. Rearrange. Rearranging. So it will be 100 is equal to 64 plus x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, sorry, plus 1. Correct? This makes some tedious process. How this has to be formed into x square minus y square. X square minus y square. We have to bring in x square minus y square form. I have eliminated these steps to make it easy. See, if we put this bracket on right hand side and 8 square to this side, therefore 100 minus 8 square is equal to 1 minus x the whole square. Correct? That is 100 minus 64 is equal to 1 minus x the whole square. 1 minus x the whole square. So it will be x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 या फिर 1 minus x the whole square is equal to 36. Correct? So taking square root, it will be 1 minus x is equal to 36. And whenever we take a square root of number, it should be plus minus 6. Whenever we take square root of any number, it is plus minus sign will be there. So therefore minus x is equal to, otherwise 1 minus x is equal to plus 6, or 1 minus plus 6, sorry, 1 plus x is equal to minus 6. You have studied this in quadratic equations. Therefore, this 6 will come this side. So 1 minus 6 is equal to plus x. 1 minus 6 is equal to plus 6. 1 minus 6 is equal to plus x. So 1 minus 6 is equal to positive x. 1 minus 6 is equal to positive x. So therefore minus 5 is equal to x, or x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5. In this side, x is equal to minus 6 minus 1. So x is equal to minus 7. What is wrong in this? What is wrong in this example? We have to find. I am going to give you 2 minutes. Think and answer. Yes, there is a mistake I have made in purposely made in sign changing. If you change the sign, it should be like this. When this x will go to that side, it will become minus x. And when this minus 6 will come this side, it will become plus 6. Now it is correct. Right? Therefore, minus x is equal to 7. This is impossible. In quadratic equations also I have told you, variable cannot be negative. Variable cannot be negative. Multiplying both sides by minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 into minus x, it is plus x, is equal to minus 7. Minus 7. But this is also wrong. This is also wrong. Why? Check the answer. Check the answer. Check the answer. So, it's very easy to solve this example again. It's very easy to solve this example again. This should not happen in your exam. This should not happen in your exam. It will kill your time. It will kill your time. Unnecessarily waste your time. So, by distance formula, this is, they have said distance between this is 10. Okay, distance LM is equal to 10 given, and distance LM is equal to under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, which is equal to, we are putting same values in different fashion. So rational and irrational में this one and this one and this one are rational number, they can get cut. So under root 2 root 3 the whole square plus 2 minus 2 the whole square, which is equal to, this 2 square is 4 into, this 2 square is 4 into root 3 square is 3 plus 4. See, root 2 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3. Root 3 the whole square is 3. So 4 into 3 plus 4. So under root 12 plus 4, which is equal to root 16, which is equal to 4. So again, distance BC is equal to 4. And the last one is AC. Distance AC. Under root, again, 1 plus 2 root 3 minus 1 the whole square plus 4 minus 2 the whole square. Now you are expert in this square. Who will get cancelled? These two will get cancelled. Is equal to under root 2 root 3 the whole square plus 2 square, which is equal to, tell me, 2 square 4, root 3 square 3 plus 4, which is equal to again 12 plus 4, which is equal to root 16, which is equal to 4, which is equal to 4. So distance AC is equal to 4. From 1 to 3, the final answer is from 1, 2 and 3, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Therefore, A 1 2, B 1 6 and C 1 plus 2 root 3 and 4 are vertices of equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the sides are congruent. In equilateral triangle, all the sides are congruent. This is part 2 of 5.1. So this finishes 5.1. I have given only examples for practice of distance formula. Clear? These all are important examples. Please practice well and tell your friends if they have not joined anywhere and failed in 9th standard. We will make them in just 6,500 rupees fees. SSC will be cleared. People are charging huge amount for passing them. Please tell them in just 6,500 we will pass them through SSC. They will get cleared SSC for just rupees 6,500. People are charging huge amount. They will be in loss. Please, आपके जो स्टूडेंट्स फेल हुए हैं उनको बोलो कि हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लासेस में 6,500 रुपये में उनकी एसएससी क्लियर कर देंगे. अच्छी बातें करो किसी के लिए तो आपको अच्छा चीज़ का रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा. थैंक यू.